This is a progress report made by Team TechMex to our client Adam Lopez Miranda on the status date of 14th of October 2017 about the project Cardboard Crutches. Team members reporting here will be Jose Pablo Valencia, Luis Guillermo Dominguez, Salvador Aldama, Emmanuel Martinez, and Luis Martinez. So, as a brief way to start, we'd like to share our general status of the project. The activities taking place during the project phases of emphasize, ideate, and define have been already achieved, and according to the planned due dates, only the progress report has been moved 4 more days, which will not affect the final due date of the entire project. Some more information is given here about the due dates. We have already changed this one. That was the project progress report. It was supposed to be delivered on the 12th of October, but our client moved the due date 4 more days, which allows us to have more time to work it out. So the milestone achieved according to Coordinate are these different activities that has already been done. For example, we have some evidence about the surveys that was taking place on internet on a web page called SurveyMonkey, and it has given us some graphs that has been useful for us to get information. And also about our customer needs, we've made a QFD or proposed ideas and sketching and some individual observation is already documented on the group blog, which has already the feedback of our client. So of the number 4, we have already the Gantt diagram that will be shown later. Okay, some evidence of our previous work, for example, are these graphs that the website of SurveyMonkey make for us automatically as the people are starting to answer our survey. And some important information has been found here. For example, this one we consider that is one of the most important, that people decide to keep the crutches instead of throwing them away or to sell them. And either way, they decide to keep it and not throwing it away. So it's about almost 70% of the people do that. So this is more of the evidence we have for it. For example, we have also our QFD matrix, which according to this, the biggest opportunities are on the lightweight, portable, and affordable needs. So we are focusing on these 3 different areas. This has also given us the opportunity of delivering a prototype of what could be our first model. So we have this model here, which has some information that agrees to the information already recovered before. And some of the problems and concerns we have found, for example, is that number 1, we haven't made a field test so far of the cardboard. Although we research for properties, it might behave differently on field. So maybe we could do a short field test that will be implemented and will give us also some information. Also, we are interested on placing special features, but crutches must be at least 80% made of cardboard, which limit us a range of material that we could use to put on it some special features. But we will have a discuss about how many degrees of freedom are feasible for our model. And the number 3 is that we are not sure about how to make water-resistant crutches. We are thinking on researching some kind of spray or material that we could impregnate on the crutches, and we'll keep the mechanical properties not changed. And this is our Gantt diagram that is showing our status day as here. So if we are talking about time, we have already achieved like 50% of the project. We already accomplished number 1, number 2, and with this report we are achieving number 3. So the next days will be only about thinking and working on the prototype until the delivering date. Thank you very much.